If you're like most people, the last 18 months have caused you to ask yourself a number of questions about your life and where you're heading. Questions like, how secure do I feel in my job? How can I create a second income? Or how can I escape the grind and be my own boss? Hi, I'm Simon Ree, full-time trader and author of the #1 best-selling book, The Tao of Trading. I've spent 3 decades working in the financial markets, and what I've discovered is that there is a ton of money to be made in the stock market if you just learn and follow some key, simple setups. I'm running an online masterclass called How to Win at the Stock Market. In it, I teach techniques and tips I've learned from my 30 years in the markets, working for some of the biggest players in the game like Goldman Sachs and Citibank. I'll teach you the key skills you need to learn for success in the stock market. Don't continue to suffer at a job you don't like for a paycheck that's never going to make you rich. Click the link below this video to sign up for my free online masterclass, How to Win at the Stock Market, and learn how to build a second income with confidence and clarity.